Hello everyone, welcome back to Azure Trading Systems live session for US30 on 11th January 2023. The market is going to open in 1.5 minutes, and now we are looking at the chart already. So I would like to welcome first of all everyone to the stream. Market is bullish like yesterday. I'm anticipating a good move as the market opens, and this is the first leg we are looking at. Let me add my indicator point calculator. Sorry, just a minute. So this is the first leg, second leg, third leg. Right now we are on the third leg. If the market continues to be bullish, we are going to look for entries. The market is about to open in 20 seconds. So be attentive, guys, if you are watching the stream. So market has opened just right now, and this is the first candle. So yesterday we closed the day with plus 2%. Let's see where we are going to go to today. I will update. So this is the first candle. If we are going to get confirmation on the Azure master confirmation and Azure volume gates, then we will be looking for entries. But I am not willing to enter the trade when the wick is like this. I want to enter the trade when the candles are valid. So I'll just update this until then. So if this is going to be the candle that what we are looking for, we are going to enter for 50 points. So market has broken. Market broke the high from London session, that is here, and now it's rejecting from that level and currently tanking downwards. So what we want to see the price to go below the edge trend pivots, break the structure and shift it to the short side. And on the third leg of that structure, we will be looking for some short entries. So If that happens, then I will be looking for short entries over here. So no one entries before. I really need the market to break the structure to be in a short side. And it also can be that this is the first leg. This is right now forming the second leg, and now we will be looking on the third leg because the structure is still bullish. So I'll just remove this for better understanding. So if the candle closes with the green signal over here on the edger volume gates, then I'll be entering the trade. And something is wrong with my indicator today because it should give me the extended lines. All right. So no entries until now. We are about 6 minutes in the market, 6.5 minutes, and nothing, no entries yet. So we are gonna patiently wait until we get an entry or until we get a strict bias where the market is gonna move. I'll just close these. I don't need them right now. Structure is still maintained. The market is still bullish. You can see it here long. So no entries yet because there is no strict confirmation where the market is gonna move. Just delete this. And so these are my settings. So no strict bias yet. We are waiting patiently, and there are also no confirmations from the system. So no entries yet. So the candle should break the structure. Next candle should break the structure. Now it has tested various times the trend pivots, but never closed below it. So on a higher time frame, we can still look at it as the third leg of the bullish structure. So this can be my third leg now where the market is moving right now. So it has to break this low to be in a bearish bias. I'm still looking at buy entries yet. So this is the entry where I'm gonna enter. I did enter on this candle because it fulfilled all the conditions that I was talking about for 30 points. It has all the confirmations. The candle is valid. The price is closed above the edger trend pivots. The edger master confirmation has given us blue color, and the edger volume gates are also open. So I'm anticipating the price to reach the target in the next consecutive candle. If it is going to be a stop loss, then we know that it was not the right direction and not the right timing. We are going to wait for a full take profit or stop loss to be hit on this trade. So if this candle does not close above the entry point, then we know that the market is not going to go further up towards our target. But as it's looking, I really want this candle to break the high and really shoot up towards our take profit level. If this not happen, then I know that we have got some serious problem. We have got around 10 points from this trade. The trade was about 8 points in profit. So we are looking first for 15 points, and that's when we will be making this trade as a risk-free trade. So now we are talking about it. 15 points should we should get our 15 points from this trade. So that is what I was talking about. This is the volatility that we need. 25 points, 25 points. I have already my position has already been closed on my FTMO because it was very close towards the take profit level. But anyway, we will still wait for it to hit the full take profit level. Although my position is already closed for the gain of 1%. Because it was so close, it was about, let's see, 29 points. Somehow, because of the slippage or something, my trade was closed. So I will put it as a +1 win, +1% buy. I can also share the result with you guys if you want to check it out on my live stream. Just a second. So it hit my full take profit level and gave me 1%. So it was just open right now. You can see that. So from here we'll be looking. We are gonna look for new entries only when the price goes down, forms a second leg and then a third leg. So perfect. It did hit also here. What else can I do to show it to you guys that the system works? If you know how to use it, it will work in your favor. Otherwise, nothing will work in your favor, guys. You really need to be serious about trading and everything. I'm also sharing the result on my Discord. So if anyone of you wants to check it out, please, you are most welcome to join my Discord. So first leg, second leg, and now we are moving on to the third leg. That is the bullish continuation. That what we look for. So now the market is breaking towards the sell structure. But if it's not going to close below that level, that means that it is not valid. The candle needs to close below this level, so it becomes evident that market has shifted towards the sell structure. So we have to wait for the full candle, and this is the breaker candle. The candle which is breaking the structure. That's why it has got an arrow over it. Also, we need to consider that this is the first leg of a sell structure if the price closes below this level. So we are not going to look for any sell entries. We are only going to look for sell entries when the price closes below the trend pivots, breaks the structure, and retraces, forms a second leg of bearish continuation. And on the third leg, we are going to look for the sell entries. So, first leg, second leg, third leg. On this leg, we are going to look for some sell entries. Nothing before. So first leg, we got a retrace, and if we get an entry over on this candle, we will be entering for sells. But we need to be careful that the price should not close below this level or close really close to these levels, because from these levels we might see a rejection. This area is a rejection zone, and it can happen that the price can come here very impulsively and reject from here. So we need to be careful about that. So this is what I was talking about. We need to be really careful what happens over here. Price can reject this very impulsively. Also, the price is very close to the edge or VWAP, so I'm not looking for any entries right now. I want the price to do what it wants to do, and after it's done, then I will be looking for entries, because it's always to be safer first than being sorry later. So we got a nice rejection from here. You can see that. That is what I was talking about. That's why I'm not comfortable trading at this level. We really need to be very strict with the rules and the strategy. Otherwise, you can never be profitable if you don't follow your strategy or the rules, the set of rules that you have prepared. So we are getting really nice rejections right now, and that is the second formation of the second leg right now. So first leg, second leg. Here, if it closes above the current low, closes somewhere like this, then I will be looking for short entries. So somewhere here, you can delete this. Also, guys, if you're watching and know someone who would like to watch the stream or who would like to know what the strategy is, they are most welcome to share the live stream with among their friends, and also are most welcome to join my Discord server. The link is on my channel's profile, channel's description. So right now the price is just moving sideways, so it's making no sense to uh, scavenge for any entries. It's always sensible to just stay like this and wait patiently until an entry occurs or the opportunity occurs. Price is really close to that range, what I was talking about, really close to the edge of VWAP, and is testing currently the levels from London session and also Asian session. So we have to be careful about that. Market is just testing our patience right now. We just have to sit back and watch the market. So now officially the third leg, second leg has been completed. This being the third leg, and now we are looking for some sell entries. I'm really not happy with this tool. So, so if this candle gives me a confirmation for sell entries, I will be entering right away. the candle is being uh, the candle is a valid candle until now. We see the dot above it. So I'll just put it here for the moment, and we just wait. We just need to wait for edge volume gates to give us the final confirmation. So as it is looking like, we might not get an entry because it's not in our favor. The price is just rejected. So now, if the price needs to be bullish, if we want the price to close above the edge of trend pivots and form a second leg and the third leg, we will be looking for final entries. So first leg, second leg, and third leg. If that is going to be, but I'm not going to enter. It's just for testing purposes only. If I take an entry with the confirmation over here, it is just going to be a test entry. I will repeat, it's just going to be a test entry. It's not going to be a final entry. I will just put the long tool here to analyze if the direction is right or wrong. So, no, nothing here. We'll just forget about it. So, nothing here. It's just testing right now, it's just testing our patience like it has been testing on Monday. I mean, Monday was a great day. We could get easily 2% plus 2% on just two trades, but we had to wait for 1 hour 20 minutes for the two entries, two consecutive winners. Right now it's doing the same. We could get the first trade because the volatility was still there, and right now it's just testing our patience again. You can see if the price is going to close below the edge of trend pivot, that the structure is still maintaining the short, the bearish side. So we need to be careful, observant, and pay attention to the chart while sitting on our hands, because to enter any trade right now would not make any sense. We can lose what we won. 30 points we won, we can already lose them. So we have to be really careful. So now we are looking for some short entries. We just want the price to close with the valid confirmation, with the valid circle on the top, and we want the price to give us the edger volume gauge to open and show us green color over there. And that is when we will enter for a short position for 30 points. The only thing we need is the edge of volume gates to open, the red to turn green. If the color changes here to green, I will be entering. The candle still needs to be a valid bearish candle. So the candle was not bearish, however, we got the edge of volume gates open. So this is not a valid entry for me. I'm not looking to enter on such candles. A valid candle is this candle, if you can see that. So let's say if you were supposed to enter on this candle, what can happen? We have already got into drawdown right now, and the stop loss would have been here. So 30 points, and the take profit would have been here, 30 points. Anything can happen, so I'm not looking forward to enter on any random candles. I am following the set of rules that I've created, so we need to follow them. If this candle is going to be the valid, provide me all the confirmations, then I will be entering on this candle. So it was a valid candle, but the gates were closed. So the system is telling me to stay away from the market, but because anything can happen, right? And that is why I can accumulate the amount of pips that I've been accumulated, or the amount of capital that I've got the growth. So for the week, I'm already by plus 5%. I've not updated it. I'm sorry. So we have traded on Monday. We have got two trades. On Tuesday, we have got three trades. All of them were winning trades, and today we got one trade that was a winning trade too. So we have got about 100% win rate for until now for this year, because I officially started the trading year for me from 9th January. That was Monday this week, and we have been hitting straight winners from then. So now the price is really close again in this range, so I'm not looking for any entries right now. If it were this candle or this candle, if I got all the confirmations, then I would have entered. But I really don't want to trade when the price is at Azure VWAP, so it can be really dangerous. But I will demonstrate it. Why? So I will put a tool here. If the candle is going to be a valid candle and the edge volume gates are open, I will demonstrate it why and what can happen if you are trading close to the edge of VWAP, or when the candle is passing through the edge of VWAP. This is an amazing move, great move over here. So we have got 10 seconds to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So if the see, look at it. So we have got a nice rejection over here. The price closed very close to the edge of VWAP and gave us a wick. Let's see how big was the wick. That is not going to show me. We can check the wick over here. So the wick was already about 17.27 points. That is a lot. So do not enter such candles. Only enter on the valid candles with the valid confirmation. So the set of rules are really important. Again, look what happened. If you were entering over here at Edge VWAP, you can see these rejections, and then you're gonna blame yourself why you entered because you did not follow the set of rules. So VWAP, Azure VWAP is really important for the bias or the for the direction of the market. So when the price stays above the Azure VWAP will always be in blue color. As soon as the price goes below the Azure VWAP, it will turn its color to yellow, the bearish side. So all of these indicators that I've created, it is a system combined with all the indicators, all the tools that I've created, and they need to be used with each other. So if you're interested to use them or try them out, you can always write to me on my Discord or my Telegram or ask me on this live streams chat if you're interested, and I can assist you how you can get access to the indicators. Also, I have a free trial for 1 month, so you are most welcome to try the system out. Paying attention to the market details is very important because you are not playing here. It's not your playground. You have to be really careful uh, where you are opening the trades and why you are opening the trades. You must know before what you are doing. Also, I read a quote and that said, "Risk is where risk happens when you don't know what you're doing." So that is a very really concrete quote that you need to understand before you start to trade or do anything in your life. If you don't know what you are doing, you are in a risky business. If you know what you are doing, then you are avoiding all of the risks because you already attained the knowledge that is necessary to do that business. So price is deciding to reject this level, the Azure VWAP, and we want to see the price break this structure of 33,817 115, sorry. So as soon as it breaks, I will be looking for some buy entries on the third leg, of course. That is the bullish continuation. So we are currently in the third leg of this bearish continuation, sorry. We just need the final confirmations, a valid candle and yellow and green color over here for us to enter any short entries. So 30 seconds to go. And also pay attention, guys, if the candle closes like this, or if it's not a valid candle, we are not entering the trade. So no entry over there. So nothing over here as well. I'm deleting this because price closed above, came back, and I really want to look for a candle which closes above this edge of trend pivots for us to enter the buy trades. Let's wait for this candle. It can be it can be a possible entry. So 10 seconds to go. Candle should be a valid bearish candle for us to enter the trade. So no confirmation here. So this is a potential entry. Potential entry. We just the candle needs to give us all the confirmations. Valid bearish candle, yellow on edge master confirmation and green on edge volume gates. Let's see. So 5 seconds to go. Four, three, two, one. No entry here. We are still looking for the edge of volume gates to open. So if we get the final confirmation, two confirmations are missing right now. That is the edger valid bearish candle and edger volume gates. They both need to occur before we can enter. So nothing happened over there. If this candle gives us an entry, we are we are gonna enter aggressively for the 30 points. So 8 seconds to go. Five, four, three, two, one. Volume gates are open. The candle isn't a valid candle. So I have accidentally opened the trade, but I will get out of it as soon as I hit break even. So I'm out of the trade. That was mistake because I saw there was no confirmation on the top of the candle. But over here, if this candle gives us all the confirmation, then I'm gonna enter. That would be the official entry. So we got 25 minutes for the session. After 25 minutes at 17 UTC plus 2, I will be concluding my streaming session for today, closing the day with plus 1%. We do not have any confirmations right now, so nothing. I mean, if I held this trade, I would have already got my 30 points, but not even 30 points. I got only 23 points over here. So it was first of all not a valid entry. That's why I did not hold it. If I got the valid bearish confirmation like this one, then I would have been holding the trade. But since I did not get it, I just went out of it straight away as soon as I got into break even. This candle should give us all of the confirmations for us to enter the trade because we are still on the third leg. So first, second, and this is the third one. So entry coming up, potential entries coming up. Of course, with valid confirmations. No valid confirmation anymore until now. No entry. Also, we have got 16 minutes left for us. So if we don't get any entry within 16 minutes, it will be also fine with me because I'm already plus 5% for the week. And today I've got plus 1%. So that is pretty nice. We just need some final confirmations. Right now, the market is not giving us the confirmations that we are looking for. So we cannot enter any trade abruptly because it can eventually be a loser. So we really need to be careful of the entries that we are going to take. Where the market is actually going, we need to see that. Because I don't want to enter any trade with guesswork. The market is again trading very close to the Azure VWAP. So we need to be careful and pay attention to the market conditions. just sideways market, really not giving us an opportunity to enter, and we are not going to force as well. So about 8 minutes for me to stay in the session. As soon as the price hits 17 o'clock, I will conclude this stream session. So probable entry coming here. We just need the volume gates to open, and the candle needs to be a valid bearish candle. 15 seconds to go. The volume is building up. 10 seconds to go. 8, 7, 6, 5. The volume gates are still closed. No entry over here. No entry. Volume gates are closed. So no entry. So you see how important volume gates are. If you entered this trade already, you would be in a great drawdown for about 14 points. That is half of the trade, and here would be my stop loss. So just right above this candle. And let's see how far we go in the drawdown if we entered this can and entered on this candle. I mean, 5 minutes are left. So this would be the last opportunity for us to enter if the market gives us a full confirmation. Otherwise, it's just going to be one trade for today. So volume gate should open on this candle. We have 25 seconds to go. 20 seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Looks like we're not going to get any entry over here. So no entry. 2 minutes to go to conclude the stream. 15 seconds to go. Volume gates are open. So if this candle is going to be a valid bearish candle, I will enter the trade right away. So I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade here for 30 points. Let's see where the market is going. The price gave us all of the confirmation, so that is a valid bearish candle. The price is below the Edger trend pivots and the Edger VWAP. The Edger master confirmation is yellow and the Edger volume gates are open. So let's see. So we are about minus 9 points. In drawdown, 3 points in drawdown. So right now we are at break even. Also, I think it is a kind of a mistake because it's the last 5 minutes of this hourly candle. So let's see what is happening. What's going to happen at the end? If this candle does not closes in profit, maybe I'll exit at break even. If we go on a higher time frame, then we can see how the candle is closing. It's right now testing the Elliott trend pivots on the higher time frame. So we really need to be careful. The price is rejecting that level nicely. So it's a doji. We should be exiting the trade, but let's wait for this candle. And I will conclude the session as soon as I exit this trade. That is what I was talking about. So minus 4 point in drawdown, minus 2 points. I'm closing the trade as soon as I hit break even here because I'm not confident about this trade. So break even trade. All right, everyone, I will be concluding this session for today. We will meet us again tomorrow at the same time, same place. Make sure you follow or subscribe the my YouTube channel and also share it among the people who would like to be a part of it. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Take care.